Okay, so we're going to look at substitution now. Now, when we've got algebraic expressions, they're going to be written with letters, aren't they? They're going to have those letters representing variables, and a variable basically means that it could be any number that we want. So here's an algebraic expression, a plus b. That's an algebraic expression. And let's suppose though that I knew what I wanted a to be, and I knew what I wanted b to be. I knew what number I wanted those letters to represent. Well, if I did know that, then I could write down the value of a plus b. So in this question I've said when a equals 2 and b equals 5, what is the value of a plus b? Well, if a is 2 and I'm adding on b, and if b is 5, then the answer is going to be 7, isn't it? So I've made a substitution here. I've changed a for a 2 and I've changed b for a 5, and I get an answer in 7. I could do that for another one, couldn't I? What about this one here? A plus 3b. Right. Bit more work now. I know what a is. A is going to be 2, and I'm adding on 3 groups of b. What's b? B's 5. So I need to do my order of priority here, don't I? So we've got 3 times 5. We'll do that first. So that'll be 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. So this is going to give me an answer of 17. Let's have a go at another one. So over here on the right, we've got a times b. So if I know what a is 2, and I'm timesing it by b, and I know what b is. B is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. That equals 10. And then for the last one here, I've got b take away a. Well, if I know what b is is 5, and I'm taking away a, I know that a is 2. So 5 take away 2 is 3. So actually what I'm doing here is I'm making substitutions. I'm swapping those letters for the numbers that I know that they are worth. Let's have a go at another example here with a little triangle. So the question is, if x is 5, what is the perimeter? Well, let's first write down an expression for the perimeter. So the perimeter is all of these sides added up together, isn't it? So we've got x plus 2 plus x plus 1 plus 2x. And if I add them all up together, how many x's do I have? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've got 4 x's. Plus, and then how many extra numbers have I got here? I've got 2 plus 1. So that's 3 in total, isn't it? So I've got an expression here of 4x plus 3. But they've told me that x is in fact 5. So I want to make a substitute. I want to substitute this x in here for a 5 instead. So I'm going to have to do 4 groups of 5, and then I'm going to add 3. So 4 groups of 5 is 20, and then 20 plus 3 makes 23. Okay, so I've made my substitution there. I just swapped this x for a 5, I did 4 groups of 5, and then I added on 3. And that is a quick look at substitution.
Joash Maths.